Tired of searching for your keys or wallet? The Apple AirTag is here to make sure you never lose your valuables again. We've all felt that panic, but with AirTag, that feeling can be a thing of the past, offering incredible peace of mind. Its standout feature, precision finding with Ultra Wideband, guides you directly to your item with visual, haptic, and audio feedback. It's like a treasure hunt with GPS for your couch cushions. Imagine locating that misplaced backpack or remote, even if it's buried under a pile of laundry, with pinpoint accuracy on your iPhone. Setting it up is ridiculously simple. With just one tap setup with your iPhone, you're ready to track in seconds, no complicated pairing required. Plus, these little powerhouses are built to last, boasting IP67 water and dust resistance, meaning a splash or a dusty adventure won't stop them from helping you find your stuff. What truly makes AirTag special is its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem, leveraging the vast Find My network to locate items miles away. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker that genuinely works, the Apple AirTag is absolutely worth the investment. You can get this incredible 4-pack right now to protect all your essential items. Check out the Amazon link in the description to buy yours today. This is hands down one of the best electronics of 2025 for anyone who values their time and possessions. So grab your AirTags and say goodbye to lost items forever.